the new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous view.
Hello bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair. Shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for sending me this unit. This unit is obviously a headband wig, as I am showing you guys the headbands right here. And it is a 14-inch Brazilian headband ombre highlight bob wig, child. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and the usual headband strap. Child, if you hear noise in the background, my kids are being my kids, child. Don't judge me. But anyways, if you are interested in any more detailed specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you little bugs in the outro. Bye!
Time moves fast when I'm with you. Went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go, cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Early mornings in your bedroom, waking up with you.
Okay, little bugs, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Ally Beauty Forever. Shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking is their Beauty Forever straight short bob headband wig with scarf, 100% human hair wig, ombre highlight glueless headband wig. So it is a bob unit, and I want to tell you guys the length that I am wearing. I am wearing 14 inches, and I'm gonna go back on there and look and just kind of make sure that it doesn't, if it does or doesn't come in any other lengths, but this length is 14 inches. It says Brazilian headband ombre highlight bob wig. Okay, so the only other detail I see on here is that it's straight. The material grade is Remy hair, and honestly, I don't see any other details. I would say that this bob is probably like 150% density in my opinion. They don't have a density on there, but it feels like 150. If you guys do know, and if you watch me, like I definitely prefer for my bobs to be 150% density because I don't like a super thick bob. I just don't. That's just like not my swag. I think that this bob is 150% density, but child, I don't see it on here. So this is just me purely speculating, girl. I don't know. But yeah, with this wig, it did come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, as well as the little elastic, you know, the little headband thing that all of the units have that are headband wigs. It did come with that, and as you guys can see, it is an ombre color. Like it does have like the little blonde highlights in it, and I did pick this wig just because it was different from the other headband wigs that I've done. And you know, we be trying to give you a little versatility on this channel, okay? Because it can get very monotonous, okay, child? So yeah, that's why I did pick this particular unit. As far as shedding and tangling, like girl, it's a straight bob. Like there's no shedding, there's no tangling with this wig. There's not a whole lot of hair whatsoever. So yeah, this is it, honey. So that's pretty much it as far as details and specs go. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, when it comes to headband wigs, they are one size fits all. That is just my opinion when it comes to headband wigs. I feel like everybody can make them work because they have that little adjustable band thing when you put it on. So I feel like because of that, is basically one size fits all. So that's basically it as far as details and specs go. I don't have to give you guys a lint check because, honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. So if you're interested in how I feel about this unit as well as any products, if any, that I used on it, then please continue to watch. Oh, and for a full 360, girl, if you want to know what she looked like in the back, then keep watching. Okay, y'all. So honestly, I really, really like this wig. I feel like it's short, it's cute. It's not a whole lot, okay? It's not a whole lot. I feel like it's a really, really short, cute look. And they sent me these little colorful headbands, so I did want to wear short sleeves because I felt like the vibe was spring. The color is springy, and the headbands that they sent, like, were all really kind of springy colors. Now, this one isn't, and it's probably actually the one that I'll be wearing, you know, today while I wear it, because you know I like the little bandana ones. But the rest of them are they just give you a good cutesy spring vibe. Like, I love that. And the color is really springy. So I wanted us to, like, this is good spring hair. Okay, so that's kind of the vibe that I wanted to set for y'all. That's why I got on this bright pink lipstick. If you are wondering about this lipstick, this is from ColourPop in the color Yoshi. This is like my favorite pink. And yeah, so that was the vibe that she was giving, and that's, you know, what I want to bring to you guys. I definitely really, really like this wig. I love how easy it was. It didn't take a whole lot. Like, literally all I did was straighten it a little bit, you know, like with my flat iron, and that was it. Like, it didn't take a whole lot. Like, granted, it does come a little bump, you know, like old school bump, as you guys probably saw, but you know, in general, that's easy. That's an easy fix. I literally sprayed it with my Demert wig and weave spray and flat ironed it, and that was it. And you guys know how your girl loves something that's easy. I'm always looking for the easy girl, because your girl is lazy. Okay, let's just keep it a whole buck. Your girl is lazy, so I'm always looking for an easy thing that I can just throw on and keep it moving. So yeah, that's what this wig is definitely giving me. I like it. If you are interested in this particular unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. Do you like her? Do you think she's a good cutesy spring type of vibe? Let me know down below in the comments. And are you still feeling the headband wigs? Let me know, honey. Sound off in the comments. And like, once again, if you are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And honey, once again, shout out to You Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. I do appreciate it. And we are done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. On Health Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.